Hi friends, welcome to History Mysteries. Today we are going to know about Tenali Ramakrishna. Tenali Ramakrishna was an Indian poet, scholar, thinker, and a special advisor in the court of Sri Krishna Devaraya. He was a Telugu poet who hailed from a village called Tenali, located at what is now the Andhra Pradesh region, generally known for folk tales which focus on his wit. He was one of the Ashtadikkajas, or the 8 poets at the court of Sri Krishna Devaraya. Tenali Ramakrishna was born on 22nd September 1480 in Tenali, Vijayanagara Empire. He was born in Nairogi Hindu Brahmin family to Garlapati Ramaya and Lakshmamma. Tenali Rama's father, Garlapati Ramaya, died when he was a child. To overcome the depression that Rama faced, his mother Lakshmamma took him to Vijayanagara, where he became an advisor to Sri Krishna Devaraya and the 8th scholar in his court. He was a great scholar and a poet of Telugu language. Tenali Ramakrishna was also a minister of the court. Tenali Rama was born in Telugu-speaking Nairogi Hindu Brahmin family as Garlapati Ramakrishna in a village called Tumaluru or Tenali, presently part of Tenali Mandalam. During the late part of 16th century, his father was a Garlapati Rama who served as a priest in Ramalingeshwara Swami temple in Santara Uru. Rama died when Ramakrishna was young. His mother Lakshmama returned to her native place in Tenali to live with her brother. Ramakrishna grew up in his uncle's town and so came to be known as Tenali Rama. Tenali Rama did not receive any formal education during his childhood but became a great scholar due to his thirst for knowledge. As per a well known tale, the Vaishnava scholars rejected to accept him as a disciple as he was a Shivai. Ramakrishna was still determined to get educated, so he went to many Pandits and begged them humbly to accept him as his disciple. But they called him names and threw him out. After that day, he thought he will never beg anyone for his education. The next day, Ramakrishna went out to secure education, but he did not approach any teachers. The village school walls was his teachers. Every day, he would stand by the walls and attentively listen to the lessons taught in the classrooms and go back home and recite what he learned to his mother. This became his daily practice. But one unfortunate day, Ramakrishna got caught and was accused of being a thief, so he narrated his story to the school teacher. After listening to Ramakrishna's story, the teacher felt proud, but he could not do anything because of the strict rules of the school administration, so he was sent away. Later, while roaming aimlessly, he met a Sagi who advised him to worship the goddess Kali. He worshipped and invoked the goddess Kali with his devotion. Legends say that Ma Kali appeared before him and admires his sense of humor and blessed him that one day he would be acclaimed as a great poet in the court of King Sri Krishna Devaraya of Vijayanagara. The goddesses also gave him the title Vikatakavi, impressed by his wit and humor. Ramakrishna held an important position in King Sri Krishna Devaraya's court. He was one of the Ashtadikkajas appointed by the king. Ashtadikkajas is the collective title given to 8 Telugu poets in the court of Emperor Sri Krishna Devaraya. During his reign, Telugu literature and culture reached peak stages in Telugu literature history. The age of Ashtadikkajas, also called Prabandha age. All of the Ashtadikkajas had composed at least one Prabandha Kavyamu. Tenali Ramakrishna was also called as Tenali Ramalingam in the Vijayanagara court because he came from a Tenali. Ramalingam is a Shivai name. Some believe that he later converted to Vaishnavism. Some scholars and historians dispute that he was a contemporary of Sri Krishna Devaraya because Tenali Ramakrishna dedicated his most famous work, Panduranga Mahatyam, to Krishna Devaraya's grandson. He known for wit and a large volume of poetry written in Telugu language. Tenali Ramakrishna wrote many books among Panduranga Mahatyam as one among the Panchakavyas, the five great books of Telugu literature. He had dedicated Panduranga Mahatyam to Vairuri Vedadri. The theme of the book is about the Pundari Kshetram on the banks of river Bahimi and its legend. His other books, Uddataradhya Charitam, on the story of Uddata, story of a monk. Another one, Gatika Chala Mahatyam, about the history and glory of Gatika Chalam, a place of worship for god Narasimha near Velur, Tamil Nadu, India. He wrote his books in Prabandha style. He adopted the theme for Panduranga Mahatyam from the Skanda Purana and elaborated it with many stories and about the devotees of god Vitala. His style and performance were very brilliant and wit made the other poets and personalities admire him. His other creation were and a celebrated character called Nigama Sarama Akka and a story revolves around her without giving her a name. He also famous for Vikatakavi, which means clown jester poet. Tenali Ramakrishna not only wrote the books and impressed the king with his activities but also protected the kingdom according to some records of the history. According to one popular story among how Ramalingam protected the Vijayanagara Empire from getting into the clutches of Delhi Sultans through his timely wit interlaced with a perfect strategy. Tenali Ramakrishna was married to Sharada Devi and they had a son named Bhaskaraya Sharma. Some say that he had married twice. 1 year before the death of Sri Krishna Devaraya in 1528, Tenali Ramakrishna died from a huge snake bite. The records also stated that Ramakrishna was instrumental in protecting the king Sri Krishna Devaraya many times, coming to his rescue in critical situations, and he was his best friend. Thank you for watching our videos. For more information, please do like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can never miss my videos.